this. Look at this. Rain in Death Valley. An ultra rare event this time of year or any time of year. Witnessing history. Thank you. You got water running down from the mountains, just reaching us from high up in the mountains, from pouring rain from up in the mountains. It's going to cause the road to flood down there. Unreal event we're witnessing here right now. Unreal. Think about it. We're here in the desert again, watching the floodwaters come down from the mountain in areas where it never rains. I'm telling you, never rains. Well, occasionally, but not much. Check this out. Memories of a lifetime. Unreal. Blown away by this. Look at the rain in the mountains. And Trisha. Checking in again on the water running down from the mountains. This is over the road. We're in a safe position. But look at this, running over the road here. Unbelievable. It is absolutely stormed big time up in the mountains. But look at this. You can see people could get themselves in trouble. Unbelievable. Look at it. Would you look at it? We're up here again, Death Valley. We're still in Death Valley. We've made it up the mountain, but we're stuck. There's major water running over the road. We've got people in front of us and behind us. It's going to be a good while before we get out of here, folks. I'll give you an update as soon as the rain stops. I'll show you where it's flooding out. Stay tuned. We're legitimately stuck. Massive floodwaters coming down from the mountains. Got concerned there for a moment. Major, if I can zoom in, major spillway going over the highway. We're just outside Death Valley. Crazy. Just a quick update. We've made it through our section, about 2 miles back. We're down here further down, and it looks like water levels are still rising in this area. Some people were making it through, and now traffic has stopped, and we're in the middle. Just give you a quick view. I tell you, it may be a while before we get out of here yet. It just might. We have nowhere to go, really. Just up to a hotel room. See you later. We're here at the point where it crosses the road. This is making this impassable. Could be here for a while. Getting concerned there for a little while. Actually, the water levels are going down. Quit raining in the mountains. So hopefully it'll let up here in a little bit. But I'm telling you, this could be really dangerous. Be really careful trying to get through this. Something to see. Like and subscribe.